What's going on, everybody? This is Coach D. We back again. Today we're going to talk about how to make a YouTube banner inside of Canva for beginners. Step-by-step Canva tutorial. All right, so the first thing I want to make sure that we get covered is the reason, the purpose for creating a YouTube banner. When people come to your YouTube channel, they basically want to be able to see what it is that they're going to get, right? It's all about them. What are they going to be able to get? What are they going to be able to gain from watching your channel? So if you take a look at my banner here, and I'm going to show you guys in a moment how to create this really simple, right? If you take a look at my banner, I have a couple things here. Number one, I state what topics I'm going to cover on that channel. So you see it says smart marketing, simple funnels, easy websites, easy automations, right? Then down here it says new videos weekly. So basically I'm letting a person know how often I'm going to publish. That's it. Okay. Now, yes, you can put other things on the banner, but I'm just kind of going through this in a very simplistic manner, a manner that is effective and gets the job done. Okay. And as you see, this is the banner that I have here. All right. So the first thing is, since we're going to be using Canva, you can get your a free Canva account. And don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a template as well. You can get your free Canva account because we're going to use Canva. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys the template first. All right, so let's do it. All right, so here's the template that we're going to use, because the thing is that you can use the templates inside of Canva that they already have, but the issue you're going to run into is that they're not going to be aligned perfectly on desktop. They'll be aligned perfectly on desktop, but they won't be aligned perfectly on mobile, and they won't be aligned perfectly on tablet. So that's why you need an extra template, right? You need this special template right here. And this template, it shows how things will look when you line everything up into these spaces. Like here, it shows to the side desktop and tablet. Items will show up here. So the whole way through, desktop will show up and tablet will show up as well. Okay, now I will tell you, it probably depends on what type of tablet you have. On the tablet that I have, the Samsung, the desktop and the tablet looks the same. All right, but what's more important is that you get the mobile correct right here where it says mobile. That section in between here, this is more important. I'm gonna be honest with you, because this way right here, if you put your content inside of desktop and mobile, right where it says desktop and mobile, and then all of your content will be able to be seen on all devices. And that's what you want. In the most simplistic way, you want to make sure that your content that you put on your YouTube banner is going to be seen on all devices. So this is the area we're going to be working with. Okay, so let me first show you how you're going to get this template. All right, and don't worry, I'm going to make sure I give you the link to the template at the end of the video. Okay, so once I give you that link, I'm going to show you how it's going to look going into your Canva account. And once again, you can have a free Canva account. You don't have to have the paid version to be able to use this template. All right, so we're going to go over here in the incognito window so that way you can see how it'll be for you. Go in the incognito window, and you're going to be able to get this link right here, okay? Once we get to the end, I'll show you how to get it. So you're going to click the link that you get, all right? And then you're going to have this pop up. It's going to say View Template. Pay attention. Notice that it says the size is 2560 by 1440 because that is the proper size for the YouTube banner. And those are the sizes inside of Canva. Right? Those are the sizes, but it's about this safe, what they call the safe area that's going to get you hung up, if you don't use this template. Okay, you're going to have items outside of the safe area, and then your stuff is going to be cut off. You're going to wonder why your head is cut off on the picture. It's going to look crazy. So you go ahead and hit View Template. All right, and you're going to log into your Canva account. All right, once you go ahead and put in your details, you're going to say Open in Editor. Boom. Now you're going to be able to open it up in the editor. Notice this is just an image, right? So I'm clicking on it. I'm clicking on it, right? You're not going to be able to take these words out. I'm going to show you how to get rid of the image itself. That's just the background. Don't even worry about it. I just wanted to show you how it's going to open up. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I made my banner. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and jump back into my account so we can go ahead and do it because I have all my images saved. So let's do it. All right. So now we have this, so now we're just going to put everything on top that we want. So one of the things I just chose to do, and you can make this look how you want. I'm just going to show you how I did mine, all right? Because at the end of the day, the important thing is to stay inside of the box, right? That's right. This is the one time we don't want to go outside the box, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and grab an image. Let's say, all right, this is the image that I wanted to grab right here, all right? And I'm just making sure that it fits inside. And notice when you're lining stuff up, you can kind of center it. You see those pink lines going horizontal and vertical, right? Is that, you know, it's lined up. All right, cool. One thing that I did actually while I was using this template is I wanted to make the background a little lighter, right? Just so that I could see everything else that I was doing. And the background meaning the actual template. And I'm gonna just show you how I did that right quick. I click on it, right? You just click on it, right? And then you come over here to transparency. Notice I just clicked anywhere on the page, right? Hit transparency and scroll down. Just to make it a little lighter. I still wanna see these lines, of course. I still wanna see these lines, right? But I just, you know, I just wanna make it a little lighter while I'm working on it. All right, cool. So let's go back to my banner so we can see how it looks. So we see what we talk about, right? I got that. Then what I did now, okay, is I took the things that I'm going to be talking about. Let's go back to Canva. All right. I took the things that I'm going to be talking about on my YouTube channel. Okay. There's basically 4 different things that I'm going to be talking about, because when a person comes to your channel, they want to know what are they going to get. So I just took those 4 things. Boom. Go ahead and type them out. So I picked up the word for heading right there. And one is smart marketing. So let's go back. I just typed in smart marketing, right? Smart marketing, all right? So you type that out. Then basically I'm just gonna type all 3 of these out, all right? So those are the 4 things that I'm gonna be talking about, all right? And all it is just making sure they stay in these lines, and that's good. Then I can kind of line it up. Notice when you move it, Canva helps you kind of see what the distance is between each and stay online, right? And here's the thing, guys, if you get it a little bit offline, don't even worry about it. Like, it's not even worth tripping over, I promise you, right? Boom, okay? All right, now from here, all I did was I put some color to it. Yeah, I just used the effects mode right here. So I click on it, hit effects, and this is just stuff that's just in Canva. Background, right there, scroll down to change the background. I made that one pink. Right, and then I made the websites one pink, so I click on this one, click on effects, do the same thing, background, change it to the pink, because those are my brand colors. That's why I made it pink. Your brand color is going to be what it be. I just want to show you like how simple it is to make one that is effective. Okay, then for easy automation, these 2 are black background, right? So obviously they're going to be white letters with a black background, right? So I make the background black, go and make the effects, click it, hit effects, background, go ahead, make it black, right? And then I need to click on it, double click it, then come up here to this A to make those letters white. Boom, double click it so that way it clicks all the letters. Hit that A so I can change the color of those letters. Boom, right? And then I have the letters for smart marketing and easy websites. I have those letters as white too. So I double click it, come over here, make it white. Boom, double click it, come over here, hit the A for the text color, change it to white. Okay, all right. And then let me just check, make sure they lined up. Okay, you see the lines going across. All right, and this look lined up right there. Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right. Boom. All right, so now let's go back and see what I did after that. All right, now I'm gonna move these a little bit closer. All right, I'm gonna move this a little bit closer and see how that be looking right there. See if I move that a little bit closer. Okay, yeah, that looks good right there. All right, and then I have new videos. What is that? What do I put? New videos weekly. Yeah, new videos weekly down here. So I'll just duplicate this, put it down here, put new videos weekly. All right, so basically now we have that. So we have everything lined up. So now we could just go ahead and put in a background. We can go ahead and put in a background. All right. And I also have, I see them on here, I think some dots on there too. Let's go ahead and put in the background. So right now the template is the background, but we're gonna put in another background and remove the template because we're already done with the template. We just need to make sure things are lined up, and they are. So let's go ahead, grab background. We can come over to elements, and This is the one that I'm going to use right here. You can use whatever background you want, or you could just use an image of yourself if that's what you want to do. But I'm going to just use the image right here. And the way we replace it on the back is we just come over here with the 3 dots and we go to replace background. Boom. Now we got the background. And I also had put these little dots right here. These are just little dots that I put in there. Boom. Yeah. And I got those over elements. And I just clicked in dots, and you can see them here. I just added that because this view right here, to even see the dots, that's going to be on the TV view. That's just something to just, you know, add a little something to it. It was really simple to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. So now you have your template. Everything is lined up. You would just download your template. All right. You would just download it and hit share. Download, and I actually happen to have 2 pages on here, 2 pages of things. If you have, anytime you have multiple pages on a Canva design and you just want 1 page, you can just choose that you want 1 page, right? So go to current page, page 1, or if you wasn't on the current, just choose whatever page you want. But in this case, page 1. Go on that page, download it, and then you'll be able to upload it onto your channel. So once you got it downloaded, right, onto your computer, and I'm not going to re-download it, I already have it. But then you could go over to your channel, okay? And then you just click on your banner. Yours may be empty at the moment, that's okay. And you go change, and then now you'll be able to upload your banner that you downloaded. Boom. And this is mine right here. I already know, I even named it, but you would just click it. I'm gonna show you how it looks though. All right. You see this where it says it's viewable on all devices. That's awesome, that's what we want. You see everything is here, and that's why we did it this way. Like I said, you can put things on the side and everything if you so choose, but just to keep it simple and easy and everything works, boom, you know, just make it viewable on all devices. All right, and then hit done. And then once you hit done, you got to hit publish up here in the upper right. Hit publish. Boom. And then you can refresh or go to your page rather. Oops. Hit view channel. My bad. Hit view channels, see your page. All right, boom. And now you have everything there, okay? And like I said, you can, you know, make it look however you want to make it look. Here's the thing. I want to show you how it looks on mobile real quick, right? So that way you can see that things are where they're supposed to be. So this is the mobile version, right? It's the mobile. Boom, you see everything's lined up in the spaces. And then I'll even show you the template view real quick. I'll pull it up on my, the tablet view. I'll pull it up on my tablet. So you can see everything is lined up on tablet as well. And that's what you want, guys. You want everything to be lined up. It's pretty simple. Now, as far as like how you're gonna get this template, all right, I actually put together, boom, come back to me. All right, I actually put together what we call this Solopreneurs Survival Toolkit. All right, it's a lot of tips on how to save you time, because if you're working in your business, it's probably just you. You know what I'm saying? You're probably working by yourself. You know, if you're a solopreneur, right? Or maybe it's just one other person and you're trying to do everything at once. So it's going to help you save time, going to help you with your mindset, and of course, some marketing tips, as well as some website and funnel tips as well. All of that for free, just for you. Okay, that's going to be the first link down in the description. All right, you're going to be able to create your free account, all right, so that you can get access to not only this YouTube banner template, but all of the other free training that I have for you. Okay, so whenever I put out some free training for you guys, you're gonna be able to get access to it, and it'll continue to be updated. So, all right, and it's gonna take you over to this page here and let you know what you're gonna get. You can go ahead and click free access, and you're gonna go ahead and get your free access to your Solopreneur Survival Toolkit, and that's gonna allow you in to get everything. All right. So guys, hopefully you found this helpful to be able to create your YouTube banner inside of Canva. Even if you're a beginner, no stress, no fuss. Don't even worry about the sizes, because I already got you. All right. So what are we gonna do, guys? What are we gonna do? First, we're gonna hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, baby, put down in the comments. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and then we're gonna do what? We're gonna take this ride to the top. All right, and I'll see you on the next one. And we out.